Most families guess their way through college admissions. The successful ones follow an expert strategy. The WISE Admissions Playbook gives you that strategy, built on decades of insider experience. This is a complete admissions planning system, organized into 9 milestones. First, you decide what you want. Master your academics and tests, and build a college list. Then you develop extracurriculars that stand out, and learn how to present them effectively. Next, you execute applications correctly, and write essays that reflect who you are and why you belong. Finally, you set your strategy, manage financial aid and scholarships, and make your final decision. Each milestone includes video guidance from our team, sharing practical tips and real examples, followed by lessons and planning tools that show you exactly what to do. You can read or listen, move at your own pace, and use worksheets, planners, calendars, and comparison tools. By the end, you have a complete admissions plan. This is the strategy that wins. Get the WISE Admissions Playbook.